So I saw one of these online and I liked it, so I had to find one. I found this one on eBay. It was in Germany, so I ordered it. When I first got it, I was honestly thinking I might just not open it, but yeah, I changed my mind. I did try to open it carefully though, so at least the box stays nice. And I'm gonna leave the deck in the box. Had to unlock these things. I like how it looks like it's on cinder blocks. So it comes with 3 ramps, and you can set them up on every side of the car. Has little non-slip pads on them too. Like I said, leaving that in there, trying to close up the box nicely so I can save it. I think I'm going to try to find another one in the future and just leave it in the box completely. We'll see though. So the button's not working. I don't know if it's supposed to do lights, but I know it's supposed to make sound. Not really surprised. These batteries have been in there since 2013, I think these came out. So they were leaking battery acid. I had to keep wiping some of it out of the inside. So I put some freshies in. Still wasn't working. I kind of figured this might happen. So yeah, here's a quick sesh on it. So yeah, this is another way you can set it up. Like I said, all sides of the car. Yeah, it seems pretty dope. I wish I knew about this when it came out. But around 2013, I was taking a break. So yeah.